So I'm done with waiting. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in soil. Somebody told me I have to wait till they're fully mature and can stand on their own, and these definitely can stand on their own. And next time I'm gonna go ahead and grow these slips in soil instead of just putting it in water, because somebody else said they had better growth that way. These ones right here are too immature. They're too small. These are too small to stand on their own. I gotta make sure that they're nice and tall. I probably should wait a little bit longer on this, but you know I'm impatient, so we're gonna go ahead and throw them in here. And I'm just gonna do one slip per pot. Usually I'm overzealous, but I'm learning that with gardening, little goes a long way. So I guess we'll do this one right here. I'm gonna twist it. And so we have that and we have this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. We're gonna put this in soil. Just like that. All right, we're gonna get another one. This one has more leaves on it, so we'll do this one down here. We're gonna just twist it like that and put this in soil. Put it pretty deep. I might just throw this whole thing in soil because I'm tired. It's hot out here, there's mosquitoes out here. I'm not an outdoor person. Oh, that's the only thing I'm not dealing with right now because it just rained a lot yesterday. So these mosquitoes are just killing me. In regards to these bad boys, I'm gonna just throw them in the trash. I guess we don't need them. They gotta be like this before I put them in soil. So maybe I will put this in soil and see what happens. Let's do that. So since soil helps these grow a lot better, I'm gonna throw this water out and put them in soil and moisten up the soil and then let these bake. So I changed my mind. I'm not using this because they need to lay horizontal, not vertical. So we're gonna use this tray. Y'all, these mosquitoes are eating me up. I'm trying to get inside the house. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and grab these sweet potatoes. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm really just throwing them in like that. So I think I should have put them in soil in the beginning because now they're growing upwards. They're growing vertically because they were sitting vertically. I'm just gonna try to put these roots as close to the soil as possible, and hopefully that will help with the situation because they're all growing upwards. This is really bad. Whatever, I'm tired. I'm tired and I'm getting bit like crazy. So that's what we gonna do. Maybe they might start sitting upwards. Let's see how they grow. This is what we got so far. All right, we done. And we got our little ones at the back. Clearly, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, okay? I had to abort mission because they are already growing vertically, so it didn't feel right putting it horizontal. So this is what we got going on. We got it in soil, but sitting upright. Got the small ones right here, so we're gonna see what happens to those. And then one in each pot. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. But all I know is I gotta go ahead and take this off because this thing, I don't know, it's ready. Look at it, it's ready. My second harvest is a tomato. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this now. I don't know what I got myself into because I am not prepared for all of this. I'm really not. And these mosquitoes are crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and cut off this part right here that doesn't look right. Still looks good on the inside. Look at that. And I'm gonna taste it. Fresh as can be. Wow, this tastes better than a regular tomato. I don't really like tomatoes like that. I don't like it in a stew, but this tastes good. Wow. Grow your own tomato.